Winter storm Lola is making headlines as it sweeps across the U.S., bringing a fierce blizzard to the north and severe weather to the south. From Tuesday through Thursday, tens of millions will face wild weather conditions. A deep upper wave, which has been lingering over the west coast, is now moving eastward, crossing the Rockies. By early Tuesday, it will emerge over the Great Plains, triggering a significant deepening phase. As the storm intensifies, a surface low will form over Oklahoma and Kansas, with central pressure plunging into the 990s. By Wednesday morning, we can expect it to reach near 980 in Buar, fully developed into a powerful winter storm. The pressure and temperature gradient will create extreme conditions on both sides of the storm. Prepare for heavy snow and blizzard conditions in the north, while the south braces for severe thunderstorms and potential tornadoes. This is a weather event you won't want to miss. Stay safe and stay informed.